Hey boss babe, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you this stunning Blue Dynasty Glam. It's sky blue and deep midnight shimmer blend that is bold, icy, and unapologetic bossed up. If you want to see how I created this look step by step, keep watching.
One life to live, but that's why me I go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me no turn on me hard. Man live without limit, man in it doing it. Live without limit, yeah.
Hey boss babe, so these are all the tools I'm going to be using today for my eyebrow. I just choose to do it that way, but it kind of works for me better that way. I'm going to try my possible best to make this video as tedious as possible because this is a learning experience. And if you haven't checked out how I do my eyebrow, please check out the other videos you're gonna see. I'm using the same palette, going into the like yellowish shade to do that. These palettes have names, but currently I can't remember the names because it's a very old palette. But the palette will be listed down below. If you love how this makeup look is gonna turn out, make sure to purchase the palette to complete this look. This is my one true palette that I take around with me, like when I'm going on vacation or a trip, because I can do simple look with the palette and I can also do like really dramatic look. So this is the reason why I absolutely love this palette, to take it with me whenever I'm traveling, so I don't feel like I'm lacking. So if I feel like doing more color that day, I can add a little bit of color to my lid, or if I feel like going really simple, I can do a simple beat. This palette is perfect for a girl on the go. I'm not a brand ambassador for this palette, but I just say that to say this palette can do every look in one shot. I've been having this palette for a while, and you can see it is my go-to palette by the looks of the eyeshadow. It's literally done, y'all. Literally. I'm just going into my lip balm, then plus cleaning that up, going into my mascara, applying the lashes from LaBoss Beauty. Make sure to check it out because this lash is one of a kind. Making sure it's on right, going in with my liner. So I went into the white eyeliner to make my eye look a little bit widened. So this is my first time using this primer. I tried to use it with the brush, but it didn't work, so I used my hands, and I figured that my hands work better. So I'm going into my foundation. Everything will be listed down below. So if you watched my soft makeup that I did a couple of weeks ago, I'm using the same product. That's what I told you, boss babe. I always use the same product, or maybe change up my lids to get what I'm going for. The key thing to your foundation routine is just blending and making sure your foundation, your contour highlight is in the right place. That's the best bet. Right now I'm going into blending out the shade on my nose, and now I'm going into my eyebrow stencil powder and using that as a base of a contour. I normally like to use this lately. I've been using it now. I'm not using like foundation as my contour. I'm going into the powder, going through my neckline, and also going to my jawbone, and also now contouring my nose. So now I'm going into my setting powder. It's a banana setting powder, and just putting it all to the areas that have been wet, meaning places that I've applied concealer or foundation, to make sure everything blends and stay matted. I love this setting powder. Now I'm going back into my eyes and connecting it with the blue. I want y'all to know this color that I'm doing today in this video is pretty much more colorful, so you can see that you can do more color for the girls that wants to try color but are afraid to do it. You can actually copy this color scale and use this look to do it yourself. Mind you, when I did my makeup for this day, I wore this look to church, actually. Crazy, right? I was wearing all black and white, so I was like, I don't just want to wear black and white clothes today. I want to add a bit color to my face, and that's what I did. Now I'm going into, just making sure everything's matted. Now I'm going into my, not blush, but I'm actually going into my bronzer. I could not remember the name, so sorry, but the bronzer is what I use lately. I've been loving it. I'm going to my L'Oreal setting spray. So I'm just going to bronze over my nose, then go back into the blush for all over my face effect. The reason why you use the blush, well, I use the blush all over my face, is to bring back color into my face, because my face looks so pale, and by adding the blush, it brings it back into the light. Just going back into my highlighter to highlight my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. Once I do that, it looks very pretty, and I go back into my setting powder just to make sure the areas of my face look pointed, like my nose, position it even more. Then go back into the same highlighter and highlight my cheeks area. And then I'm going to soften it with the bronzer. As you can see, the same palette that I use for my eyebrows plus my contour, that's what I'm using today in this video to go ahead and to line my lip. Most likely I'm using it as a liner. Why? Because I can. That's what it goes to show you. You can use a lot of items that you already have in your makeup kit to produce a certain look that you want to produce. Then after that, I go into my clear gloss. I don't like to use the applicator on my lips. I use a little brush to just blend it all in to seal it. Do you see how my lip is popping? Then I proceeded to go into my mascara. So yes, bosses, so this is pretty much the finishing look. So for any girl out there that wants to do a little bit of color but is afraid to do colors, these colors are going to be perfect for you to just dabble in a little bit. You know, it's not too subtle, but it's just right. This makeup techniques and everything that I use in this video can help you achieve this look. And guess what? All the product that I use today is very much affordable. So guess what? You don't have to break the bank to do a makeup look like this. This can definitely work. Look at the look. It's popping, right? The makeup and products that I use in this video will be listed down below for all the girlies that want to look cutesy. Maybe it might be going to church, it might be going to brunch with your girls, it might be just any date kind of thing. You looking for that kind of look, this look will work for you. I hope this makeup look was very informative. But yeah, the contacts that I'm wearing, also I can leave that in the description if you guys like the contacts. Also, if you enjoyed this makeup look today and you love how the steps went for you and you can actually do it yourself, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I appreciate if you leave me down some comments or a couple of hearts to let me know you're watching, because I know sometimes people watch the video but they don't like to leave comments. So leave me some comments, leave me some hearts. Definitely appreciate that. Okay, bosses, thank you bosses so much. God bless. See you in my next one. Bye bye.
Boss babes do it. Boss babes, turn it up. Let's